Pixpa versus Pixieset, usage experience. Links to both platforms are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll compare Pixpa and Pixieset, two platforms designed for photographers and creative professionals, focusing on their features, usability, and target audience. By the end, you'll have all the information you need to decide which platform works best for you. Pixpa is an all-in-one website builder tailored for creatives like photographers, artists, and designers who want to showcase their work, sell products, and connect with clients. Its standout feature is its versatility. With Pixpa, you can create a full-fledged website, portfolio, client-proofing galleries, and even manage e-commerce all under one platform. It offers a simple drag-and-drop builder, responsive templates, and affordability that makes it attractive for those on a budget. Pixpa also supports blogging and SEO tools, making it ideal for creatives who want an online presence beyond just showcasing their work. Pixieset, on the other hand, is more specialized, focusing heavily on client galleries and file delivery for photographers. While it does offer website building tools, its core strength lies in its elegant client proofing system, where photographers can share and sell their photos directly to clients. Pixieset is ideal for photographers who prioritize a seamless client experience, with features like watermarking, online print store integration, and customizable galleries. However, it is less flexible than Pixpa when it comes to building a complete website or managing other creative business needs. The key difference lies in scope and functionality. If you need a versatile platform that combines portfolio creation, blogging, e-commerce, and client proofing, Pixpa is a more comprehensive solution. It's perfect for photographers who want to manage multiple aspects of their business in one place, or creatives looking to expand their services. Pixieset, however, is the better option for photographers focused solely on delivering and selling images to clients, offering a polished experience tailored specifically for that purpose. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your business model. For versatility and value, Pixpa is hard to beat. For specialization in client proofing, Pixieset excels. Check out the links in the description to explore both platforms and decide which one fits your needs.